Guys, alam nyo bang may bagay sa SEAL-M na sobrang underrated pero kayang magbigay ng malaking combat power boost? Pag-usapan natin ng Arcane Stone and trust me, baka ito na ang dahilan kung bakit mahina pa rin ang CP mo. What's up guys? Welcome back sa channel. If gusto nyo ng more SEAL-M tips, CP boost guides, and ruby making strategies, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Goal natin ngayon is maging mas malakas na hindi ubos ang wallet. Quick question guys, ano nga ba ang current CP nyo? Comment down below and tignan natin kung sino ang pinakamalakas dito. So first things first guys, ano nga ba ang Arcane Stones? So simple lang naman, itong Arcane Stones ang isa sa mga hidden power system sa SEAL-M Cross. Hindi siya masyadong pinapansin ng iba kasi akala nila small stats lang, pero kapag tama ang setup mo, boom, instant stat increase yan. Mas mataas na damage, survivability, and overall combat power. Meaning mas mabilis ang farming at mas mabilis ang dungeon clears at mas lamang ka sa ibang players. Kasi let's be honest, gumagamit ka ba na Arcane Stones ngayon or pinapabayaan mo lang? As you can see guys, meron tayong 5 Arcane Stones dito, especially dun sa mga nabigyan ng bago. Ngayon, merong red glow, blue glow, yellow glow, orange glow, and green glow. They give us different stats based on the stone that you equip. So si Redstone guys, nagbibigay siya ng HP increase. Si Yellowstone, nagbibigay siya ng physical damage resistance. Si Bluestone, nagbibigay ng ignore physical defense. Si Orange Stone is nag-increase ng physical defense. And si Green Stone is nagbibigay ng critical resistance rate. But before we can reap their benefits and additional stat boost, ang kailangan natin dito guys is i-refine muna sila. So max refinement is up until level 15. Refinement is done through sigil coins and enhancement stones. So kailangan natin ng malaki-laking sigil coins dito guys, dahil umaabot ito ng up to 150 million para ma-reach natin ito level 15. Pero ano nga ba ang maganda dito sa Arcane Stones guys? Ito ay sure ball na makakuha kayo ng enhancement. Hindi tulad ng enhancement sa mga equipment and weapons natin na may possibility mag-fail. Itong Arcane Stones guys is a guaranteed way para makapag-increase ng combat power without having to fail on multiple levels. Also guys, kung nagpa-participate na kayo sa Rift, marami kayo dito makukuha na mga Arcane Stones. So once na nakaipon na kayo ng mga Arcane Stones, pwede nyo sila i-dismantle para makakuha kayo ng enhancement stones para ma-enhance and ma-refine itong mga items na ito. Also, there's this thing called resonance. So ano nga bang ginagawa nitong resonance? It gives your stat boost increased folds. So guys, the difference between refinement and resonance, refinement unlocks the hidden stats that this Arcane Stone has through leveling them up, and resonance gives them the increased value for the abilities and stats that you have unlocked. Realistically guys, mas maganda kung nakukuha nyo na yung mga equipment and crafting materials dito sa Rift, dahil medyo mahirap itong kunin through doing daily missions and events. So kung gusto mong mabilis na lumakas ang mga Arcane Stones mo, ito ang gawin mo. Number 1, huwag puro rarity case. Tignan mo muna kung bagay sa class mo. Number 2, upgrade wisely. Don't waste resources sa low value stones kung alam mong papalitan mo rin agad. And number 3, combine with other systems. Costumes, poo parts, pets, refinement, and Arcane Stones together. Bro, ibang level talaga ang mangyayari sa KCP boost mo. So guys, if this video added value to you today, please hit that like button and subscribe for more SEAL-M on Cross content, CP guides, ruby farming tips, and play to earn strategies. And remember, minsan hindi kailangan gumastos para lumakas. Ang kailangan lang natin is tamang diskarte. Once again guys, see you sa next video. This is Peter Pine signing out.